What if I told you you could build a complete app, send emails, create meetings, generate PPT, Excel file, etc. simply by chatting with Telegram bot? Today I'm going to show you OpenClaw, an AI assistant that's like having a whole software team in your pocket. Let's build PPT, Excel, and especially a Spanish learning app together in under 10 minutes. Hey everyone, and welcome back to AI Who Knows. And today we're going to do something really cool. We're going to set up OpenClaw. It's an AI assistant that can actually do things on your computer, not just chat. It can write codes, run programs, send emails, create meetings, and list goes on. By the end of this video, you will help build your own Spanish learning app with swipe to answer quizzes like Tinder. This is going to be really fun, so let's get it started. First, let's get OpenClaw installed on your Mac. Before we start, I have a very important video you should watch first. It's called Stop Using Clawdbot before it drains your bank account. I made it because there is serious security issue with running AI assistants like this on your main computer. The problem is AI assistants like this have access to your computer, which means they can potentially access your bank accounts, emails, and sensitive data. That's why I strongly recommend using a separate Mac that you don't use daily, like a Mac Mini or an old MacBook. This way, even if something goes wrong, your main machine and data are actually safe. For this tutorial, I'm personally using a dedicated Mac. It's isolated from my daily work. Alright, let's get it installed. Now let's open the terminal, press Command plus space, type terminal and hit enter. Copy this command from the official website. Paste it into the terminal and press enter. Wait for the installation to complete. Here I want to say, since I already have OpenClaw installed, I don't have the same steps as what you have on your screen. But what you need to do is very simple, just to configure properly the model and channels. For the other items, you can just choose to skip for the first time. Now let's set up the AI model. I will use Minimax M2.5. It's fast and powerful, especially cheap. First, get your API key. Now we're going to go to the platform minimax.io and create your account if you don't have one yet, or log in if you already have your account. Go to the API key section now and create a new key name. Name it whatever you want, and then copy it. Now go back to the terminal and paste the key and press enter. Simple as it is. So after configuring the model, now let's connect Telegram so that we can chat with our AI assistant. The first step is to open Telegram and search for botfather, send /new bot, and you're going just to follow the prompts. Give your bot a name, give it a username, and then botfather will give you a token. You need to copy it, and then go back to the terminal, paste the token, and press enter. And then after all this, remember to start a gateway. Then search for your bot in Telegram again, send /start. Now your bot is now connected. And there we go. The AI is responding through Telegram, right? It's quite simple. Now the fun part, let's build our Spanish learning app. I will just ask the AI, create a folder, however you name it, wherever you put it. It is really suggested to create a new folder for each project, just in case OpenClaw creates chaos on your computer. And boom, that's done. Now I would like to ask OpenClaw to create a project called project_vocal Tinder, and I want it to be a web app with the following features: AI Spanish lessons with dialogues or texts, and it should contain grammar explanations, vocabulary lists, and also quiz systems. Swipe right for correct and left for wrong, just like Tinder. Send also simply a link back to me to open the web app. Now the AI is writing all the codes. Let me show you what was created. A beautiful course list page, interactive lesson pages, swipeable quiz cards, and also progress tracking. Amazing, right? If you're not happy with the result, just ask the AI to improve it. Like the styling, say, let's make it more Spanish feel. Now it looks better, right? And then here, where it gets crazy, I want to export our course content to Excel. I ask the AI, generate an Excel file with all our lessons, vocabulary, and grammar points, and send it back to me. Watch what happens. Yeah, the Excel file is created. Beautiful. We have here the course overview sheet, vocabulary list, grammar points, and quiz questions. Wow, amazing. All right, now let's do something really useful. Automate meeting creation. Here, I will use Google Suite as an example. First, we need to set up Google authentication. It's a little bit technical, but I will walk you through. The step one, you need to go to the console.cloud.google.com, create a project, go to APIs and services, and click on the credentials, and create auth client ID, and remember to choose desktop app. This takes actually a bit of setup, but once done, just copy paste the client ID and client secret to the AI to get connected to Gmail. It's still very simple, right? And now I can use the function saying create a meeting for tomorrow at noon and invite blah 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 to talk about what I built today with OpenClaw. Remember to summarize the contents of what we built today in the email. And it creates a calendar event, generates Google Meet link, and sends the invitation email, all automatically. This is huge for productivity. Imagine automating your entire workflow like this. Wow. Then I want to create reports or presentations. Let's say create a PowerPoint summarizing what we built today. This is the results. Look not so bad, right? Well structured, good design, and the right content. Same with Word documents, just ask and it generates them. Yeah, see, with the coding capacity and the capability to work with different tools, you now have a whole software development team at your disposal. So what did we build today? OpenClaw setup with Minimax model and Telegram channel, a Spanish learning web app with swipe quizzes, Excel reports with all course contents, automated Google Calendar meetings, email automation, PowerPoint, and Word documents. Wow, all without writing code, just by talking to the AI through Telegram. However, this is just the beginning. With OpenClaw, you could build customer service chatbots, data analysis pipelines, content creation workflows, and the possibilities are just endless. Now, if you want to try this yourself, go to openclaw.ai, download for Mac, follow the steps I showed you. Well, please subscribe if you want more AI tutorials like this, and please also like this video if it was helpful, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see me build next. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one. Bye!